Hi there, I'm Hao, and it is just another video of me solving randomly code problem. So we have 409 longest palindrome. So we are given a string of S, which consists of lowercase and uppercase characters, letters, right? We need to return the length of the longest palindrome that we can build with those letters, and it is case sensitive, right? So a palindrome is like a letter, it's a word that is read the same forward and backward, right? So to do that, we just need to make sure that the letter is an even number of letters, and we can count the number of occurrence for each letter. Right? C is 4, and D is 2, right? Okay. So we can see that we can just we can just sum all of the frequency of all of the letters together, right? If it is and we only add the frequency if they are even, right? If they are not even, then we will minus one, right? Because the palindrome can be odd, right, or even, right? We can just have a flag um called odd frequency, right? If if we found a um letter that has an odd frequency, right, we will set this to true, and we will add one to our result at the end, right? Right. So we can iterate through each frequency of each letters, right? So let's say this is one, right? So the odd frequency gonna be set to true, right? Because it is odd, right? It is also odd, right? It is even, so we just add to the length is 4, right? It is 2, it is even, so we just add 2 to here, which is 6, right? And at the end, since it is at an odd frequency, right? So we just return 6 plus 1, which is 7. Right? If we have something like this, we have 5 and 2, right? So as we iterate over the letter C, right, we see that, okay, this frequency is odd, right? So we set the odd frequency to true, right? And we will add the length of the frequency, right, with minus 1, because we don't want to include the odd, because we already account for it here, right? So you only add 4, right? Right, same for here, it is even, so we add 2, so 6. And at the end, we will return 6 plus 1, because the odd frequency here is true, right? So the key idea here is just to count to sum up all of the frequency of all of the letters, right? Some the highest even frequency, but we are gonna sum all of the highest even frequency of all the letters. And if there's any odd frequency exists, then we add one of them. Right? So we're gonna have ours over here. And now our flag and our length. So the first step is to count the occurrence of each letter. So as a I, with the counter right with the as a I. Let's see. Uh first one, right? Or one. So after we have the occurrence of all the letters, we iterate through the frequency, right? After counting, if the frequency is odd, we will set the odd frequency to true, right? And then decrement the length by one, because we only want to add the highest even frequency. Okay? The length plus equal to frequency, right? So if it is even, then we're not gonna run through this if statement here, right? We just add the frequency into the length, But if it is odd, then we're gonna add the highest even frequency. So we minus 1 here. Right, at the end, we can just return the length, right, plus the odd frequency. Right, if it is true, then we're gonna add 1, right? If it is false, then we're gonna add 0. And it worked. Thank you for watching.